Sabi dun sa gospel today, no, yung kwento na nag-ikot-ikot si Jesus sa iba't ibang mga bayan, seeing the people, He was moved with pity for them because they were like a sheep without a shepherd. So sabi niya sa mga disciples niya, pray that the Lord may send out laborers for the harvest. Has it ever dawned on you that we as a community, we are God's response to this prayer? We are working in the Lord's vineyard. You are working for the Lord. I am working for the Lord. So nung sinabi ni Jesus Christ, pray that He may send out laborers, tayo yun, ngayon. Di ba? And it's such a beautiful and humbling thought to realize na we are the answer to this prayer.